Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your PayPal banking account statements through PayPal. Now, the main reason you would want to find your PayPal banking account statements is mainly to see, what you're spending your money on, how much money's coming in, where the money's coming from, just so you can see a full transparent view of your finances on PayPal. Now, overall, this video is going to be very helpful for literally anybody that is wanting to find their PayPal banking account statements through their PayPal account. I plan for this video to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to see how to find your PayPal banking account statements through the PayPal app. If you do find this video helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more future tutorials. Okay. So first, of course, what you're going to want to do is open the PayPal app. Now, once everything's loaded, of course, you'll see your balance and you'll see everything that you usually do. But what you're going to want to do is go up to your profile in the top right. You're going to want to scroll down just a little bit until you see Statements and Taxes. Click on Statements and Taxes. And then you'll see all of your past tax documents. But what you really want to pay attention to and what you want to click on is the All Transactions button. And now this will load up every single transaction from every single month. So I've got since 2022, and you can choose to download all of them for the entire month, for the entire year, whatever you want to do, whatever suits your needs. And that's really all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful into helping you find your statements on the PayPal app. If it was helpful, please be sure to drop a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more future tutorials.